far, far away, in a town that you know, far, far away, live 6 young boys.
6 smart boys.
No!
6 handsome boys?
No!
6 Asian boys?
No!
6 Pikachus?
Ew, no! Why are you here?
6 white boys?
No. Shut up! Let me finish, okay? As I was saying, these 6 boys, Raj, Carl, Mohit, John, and of course Maurice. These 6 boys don't know it yet, but they are about to start a new adventure in Browntown.
You already told us. What are you saying? Smart butt.
No, you mean smart ass.
No. I am meaning smart butt. And you, watch your language.
No, you